thank you for stopping by. I hope you like it enough to hit that subscribe button. Slam that like button. Left-handed Paul over here.
No.
Yeah. Scrap my grandpa. A little dirty. We did get us a load today.
$35.
We're hoping it's not $35. We got a pretty good load back there. We got a new honey hole. We have Caliber Collision, as you've seen us pick up many times. That's one of our honey holes. And I've lost it twice so far and picked it back up twice, so let's hope we can keep it going. Last time they thought we took a hood from them that wasn't damaged, and come to find out one of the workers had damaged the hood and they threw it away in the pile. So the pile that we picked up. So yeah, we picked up the hood, but it wasn't in good shape when we got it. So anyways, he told me don't come back again. And that is actually the second time that I got told don't come back again. But they're real nice people, and they understood and got figured out everything what was going on, and figured out that it wasn't our fault. So anyways, you know, you win some, you lose some, but fortunately we didn't lose any because they at least let us come back twice so far. In Boiling Spring Lakes, the actual town that I live in, they have another Caliber Collision, and Paul's adorable daughter works there. I don't know how she got to be adorable after looking at that, I'm telling you.
Mama.
Yeah, it wasn't from Paul.
No, it wasn't me.
Yeah, she's a pretty little thing. Anyways, her name is Andrea.
Yeah, Andrea Christine.
Andrea Christine. Where did Christine come from?
1958 Plymouth. The movie Christine.
He named his daughter after a movie.
Yeah,
Christine. What'd you say?
The Devil Car.
The Devil Car. She's a little devil too, let me tell you. Anyways, we're heading into Wilmington to our scrapyard. The place that I love best would be Southern Metal Recycling, Highway 421. They seem to give me the best prices. 20 cents more per pound just about on anything than my last place gave me. So, except for shred metal right now. Shred metal is just down like crazy, and that's what we got, shred back there. But anyways, I haven't made a video in a while. You know why. I haven't been feeling too good. I'm actually on my 5th day of quarantine. I'm trying to stay away from everybody except for Paul. He said he's immune to anything. I think he is too. I've never seen him really sick, so just, every once in a while he says he don't feel good, but that's just so we don't have to go to work. I don't feel good. And he'll have his mama call me up. Hey, Paul don't feel good today. Tell me I'm lying, Paul. Huh? Yeah, have his mama call me up. Hey, Paul don't feel too good today. So anytime Paul don't call me up and say he don't feel good, I know he's lying. He just don't feel like coming in. You don't feel like it. But anyways, what would it pay? I guessed $60 at 5 cents a pound right now. Paul said 75, so let's go see what we got. We're almost there. That's another scrap yard right there, matter of fact. Horton. It's a small little yard. I've never been there before in my life. And I don't know what their prices are, but I kind of like the one I'm going to, so I'll probably stick with it.
Yeah, you don't want to do that.
I don't want to go to that
They
one.
ain't got no scales on that side.
Oh, we got to have scale weight. That was my problem with the last place I went to. You drive across the scale, you don't have a daggum clue what you weigh, because the only numbers are on the inside. So you could weigh 2,000 pounds and they say you weighed 1,000, and you wouldn't know the difference. All right, we're getting ready to make a left in here. We're going to drop off this load. Thank you, everybody, for stopping by, and we'll see you when we're on our way out here. We'll go with what we got in numbers. What it weigh and what it pay. I'll see you then. Southern Metal Recycling, Wilmington, North Carolina, Highway 421. This is where you want to bring your scrap metal for the best price, in my opinion. I don't know what you get, but for me, this is my best place. Not to mention, I like everybody here. and they watch my videos. Thank you for watching my videos, Southern Metal Recycling. 11,720 pounds. 11,720. Look at that beast right there. Look at that. How you doing this thing? Look at that, baby. Boy, that thing's got some weight to it, I bet you. Look at that. That's a beast. It's a train, man. I wonder which way they want me to go. That was a train. Somebody rode that thing for a long ways. We did pick up a nice aluminum hood. We don't have a lot. Seems like a lot. We also dropped off a nice fender at my house that I'm going to try to sell on Marketplace. It lists brand new for $405, but it didn't have any dents in it. So, oh, come on, baby, get off of there. I know you want to. Ugh. Hold on, Paul. It's not coming. Sorry. I almost wanted to keep that. That was all that was wrong with that thing. Got thrown away. Nothing. I should keep it, but hate throwing something like that away. That's money. I mean, there's got to be somebody that needs a fender like that that's dented up. But right now I don't have my shop, so we're gonna do what we got to do. When I get my shop, I brought one home. I almost want to take that one. Look at here now. I don't even recognize my scrapyard anymore. Good, brother, good. All right, brother. He's been watching.
Yeah. Back right up to the magnet. So I got the magnet high.
Oh, they took that building out of there that was in there. That's scary. That's a mud hole. Mud hole. Hey, Paul. That's coming off of there. Paul says 75, I say 60. Even though it's a good sized trailer load, 5 cents a pound for metal just ain't much. What did it weigh and what did it pay? Money. Should probably be able to pull right up. I'm gonna pull up, he's gonna drag it out. All right, look at a mud hole. Maybe one day they'll put some pavement in here. You think they'll get some pavement in here one day?
One day, that's what they've been doing, trying to clear it and smooth it out.
I heard there was pavement under this mud.
Yeah, it is. But it's so much.
100 years worth, looks like. My place don't look the same, let me tell you. When I first started coming here, these piles were 2 stories tall. Got one moving in. I don't think I'm in this way. They say there's pavement under here somewhere. I don't know where. I seen them picking through that, getting metal out of it the other day. That pile right there. That pile's about a quarter the size it used to be. All right, Paul, take us away. Or should I say, Calgon, take us away. Aluminum hood, baby. I'm not bringing that in, dropping it off here. Look at here. You know what that means? Time to load the trailer. Ain't no money in an empty trailer. This place is half the size it used to be. At least half. Can't wait. They're gonna let me fly my drone one day, I promise you. It's gonna happen. Pull up some, Paul. Didn't even get stopped. 10,300 and what? 10,380 pounds. 400. 10,400. If my calculation is right, we're looking at about $70. So I guess Paul was a little closer now. I think we had 1,400 pounds. At 5 cents a pound, 70 bucks. Pretty sad. I'm waiting on somebody there, and I don't like crowding anybody. In a little confined space. Right over there, Pick and Pull of Wilmington. They'll come to your house and pick up your car, bring it here. They'll take some parts off and put them aside. Other parts, they'll put them out in the yard, and you have to go take it off yourself. So that's pretty cool. I'm gonna leave them some of my stickers. Hopefully people will grab them. Look at this goodness. Man, that's a cutting machine. I'm sure of it. That's a steel. I'm pretty sure that's a cutting machine for shear, a steel shear. That's what that is. And he didn't even stop yet. I'm pretty sure that's a shear. Yeah, on the other side, that's a cutting machine. Roofing companies would have something like that. A roofing company that I used to do work for had one of them. And that's a cutting machine. You put steel in there, you make it any width you want to. That's a bad machine right there, boy. Keep your fingers out of that hydraulic, bad boy. All right, everybody. A week later, we're up to 6 cents a pound, which is great. I had a total of 1,300 pounds at $78. So at 5 cents, I would have been closer to the 70. You still would have beat me, Paul. I said 60, you said 75.
Yeah.
Ended up with 78.
We're on the money. You put that $3 in the gas tank.
All right, everybody. That wasn't a great big, it wasn't a great big video or a great big load, but I do appreciate everybody for stopping by. And my next video will be us loading that load that you just saw us drop off. I just happened to be able to get this one together first because I did it with my iPhone. We'll introduce you to Paul's daughter, Andrea. Andrea, she's a cool little girl, and she works at one of the honey holes that I pick up my scrap metal from. Thank you for stopping by. Hit that subscribe button if you would like. If not, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one. Hope you have a good day, everybody. God bless. Be happy. Love what you do and do what you love.